Okay, so, hold on. Stop. You're walking too fast. Okay, so, Annette, what do you think of Portofino?
It's pretty.
Just like you. So this is Portofino. And those are really expensive boats that we'll never be on. But it'd be nice if we could.
When I divorce you, I will be.
Thanks, babe. Love you too.
Or kill you.
Yeah, that's 10 days into the marriage? Thanks. Thanks a lot. So this is where we walked to. It was about a 2-mile walk from Santa Margarita. Right around the corner, essentially. Beautiful, beautiful area. We actually hiked all the way up to, if you can see it, I'll tighten in here, that, which is the castle up there. It's Castello Brown, or Brown Castle. Very, very pretty. Nice views up there.
We're getting ready to go.